What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're driving around, we're testing out this new welded freewheel I installed a couple days ago. So yeah, it's my first time riding it. I never ever rode it with the freewheel. Yeah, let's get started. Let's go. First expressions, it's like almost the same. Wow, it's actually almost the same. I thought it'd be way much stronger. The region braking. Yeah, it does stop you though. See if it's gonna stop you downhill. Oh. Yeah, the region braking is actually pretty strong. I mean, this is a 48-volt setup. It's nothing big, but it does definitely stop. I can't wheelie because I fractured my wrist, but I'm just gonna drive around. But actually I like it. It's actually good. It's like actually nice having it region braking. Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I definitely recommend it. I wonder if it charges up the battery. Oh yeah, it did just that. It was just on 1 volt, and now it's on. It was just on 53. It's still. It was 53.1, but now it's 53.2. It doesn't charge a lot, but it does do a little bit. It's just really baby hill climb right here. Yeah, I actually like it. I'm glad I did it. We're gonna switch like in 2 minutes with my brother. He has a non-welded freewheel, and then I'm gonna try that. Sure, on high mode. It's a little slow. I actually like it a lot. I just hope my motor doesn't overheat in summer. I mean, it shouldn't. Actually, it might because I don't have any heat sinks or anything. See how hot it is. It's not even that hot, actually. I mean, it's only like I'm only like 2 minutes in riding. Let's switch. What? Let's switch. So I just want to see how your freewheel is. It's on, just telling you that. Let's go down. Here, it's on. So he has a non-welded freewheel. I have a welded freewheel. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely. Oh yeah, the seat's. I'm gonna be talking about the seat cover in the next video. So yeah, oh yeah, there's a definitely noticeable difference. Like. Oh yeah, 100%. Let's try a little off-road. Actually, it might be better off-road. This is my first time trying the welded freewheel, so I actually kind of like it. But I definitely like the welded freewheel a little bit more better. Let's switch. Why is your back brake? Yeah, my back brake is not good. Oh, yours is so much bigger. Yeah. too fast, cause I don't want to fall.
Bro, your front brakes are crazy. Bro.
I know.
Mine are like.
The
I
switch?
don't have any, but wait, how do you do that burnout thing again?
What burnout thing?
Remember the
Oh. Here, switch. Here, oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, we're gonna be talking about the seat cover in the next video. Not today. Let's try to do a little. Wait, how do you like the welded freewheel?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's like barely, it's a very small difference in it. I mean, if you have like a EC4P, you can tune like how much region you want, and I definitely, you put on the highs, I'm pretty sure you'll feel a big difference. But yeah. Yeah, it's nice, I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's nice. I definitely don't regret it. I definitely recommend it. You don't have to use your brakes as much. That's one good thing. And then the one like not good thing, the con is that when you're off-roading, you're not gonna keep going. If you're like on a hill and you climb it up and you let go of throttle and it just brings you up, but you're probably gonna, when